Hello everyone, welcome to Tianjin's Winsoft Technology. I'm Aaron, the International Business Manager. Here I'm going to introduce you our noise monitoring system, NS06. As you can see, here is the noise sampling head, and this is the ultrasonic meteorology parameter monitor. It can monitor the rainfall, temperature, relative humidity, wind speed, wind direction, and the pressure. Now let's check out what's inside. Here is a 7-inch touch screen display where we can read the data and query the historical data and the other functions. And this is the battery group. This black module is a speaker. Now let's open this. Behind the display is the industrial control computer. And this is the sound level meter, which can be class 1 or class 2. And the other devices perform support function. It uses uncompressed WAV format to perform over standard automatic recording function. Total duration of recording storage is more than 10 hours. Exceeding values can be set to trigger recording or marking. System calibration supports remote system upgrade, remote control, automatic calibration, etc. Automatic restart function and automatic time adjustment function are both available. Fault information upload, power off information upload, automatic supplementary transmission of delayed data, etc. are all available. Transmit data through GPRS, 3G, 4G or optical fiber, etc. The device can set the alarm threshold and support remote setting. If the value exceeds this value, the alarm can be automatically linked to sound and light alarms. The equipment can directly monitor weather and traffic flow, perform monitoring and video surveillance, GPS positioning, and other extended functions without an industrial computer. Built-in large capacity TF memory card, which can store data for more than 5 years. USB or TF data export is supported. Security protection. The equipment has leakage protection device and anti-theft alarm device. It supports breakpoint continuation function. When the network is interrupted, monitoring data can be cached locally. After the network is restored, the data will be immediately transmitted to the platform, ensuring that the online data rate reaches 95%. Equipped with a 7-inch touch LCD display screen, it can achieve monitoring indicator parameters, device system settings, and other functions with a resolution of 800 by 480. Power supply is 220 volt outer current. The multifunctional box is sprayed with high carbon steel substrate, which is rainproof, dust-proof, lightning-proof, heat dissipation, and insulation. Acquisition card, faster network interface transmission speed, stable data, and a high refresh rate. The entire box can resist corrosion and strong oxidation conditions, such as rain, sunlight, warm gas corrosion, ensuring the service life. Here is a data sheet from where you can learn about the measuring range, frequency range, resolution, sensitivity, weighting, temperature stability, relative humidity stability, and the working environment and other information. There are 4 principles of point placement. First one, representativeness. Second one, scientificity. Third one, economy. And the last one, dynamicity. General outdoor. Measure at least 3.5 meters away from any reflecting object, except the ground, and at least 1.2 meters above the ground. If necessary, it can be placed on a high-rise building to expand the monitoring sound range. When using a monitoring vehicle for measurement, the microphone should be fixed at a height of 1.2 meters on the top of the vehicle. Noise-sensitive buildings outdoors. Outside noise-sensitive buildings, 1 meter from walls or windows at a height of 1.2 meters from the ground. Noise-sensitive building interiors, at least 1 meter away from walls and other reflective surfaces, about 1.5 meters away from windows, and 1.2 to 1.5 meters high away from the ground. So above is a brief introduction of our noise monitoring system. Well, as an environmental monitoring solution provider, we are capable of adding different parameters, such as different gases and particulate matters. So feel free to contact us if you require this system. I am Aaron. Thank you. See you next time.